Hey guys, it's Miss Walker. So today we are modeling and solving one variable equations with variables on both sides. The point we're going to focus on today is the modeling portion of this, and here's why. On the STAR test, you're going to see questions like this where you have actual models of the equations. You are shown the variable, which could be x, it could be r, it could be q, right? It's not important what the variable is. You're always going to kind of go back to x, especially in your calculator. But I want you to notice one thing, how these are negative x's and they kind of shaded them a different color. And these are ones. These are positive x's and these are negative ones. So what you would have to do on this question would be to first create the equation negative 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 8. And then you would put that in your y equals and solve like we've been doing. I'm going to go ahead and do number 1 as an example. This is a great place to use. You can either use your drawing tool, you can create shapes. So if you want to create your own shapes, I kind of like x's being like rectangles. So we have 3 positive x's.
Daddy, where it go with?
We're going to work.
All right, guys, sorry for the interruption. So I finished the model. I have 3 x's. Then I have negative 61. I don't really want you to draw 61 circles. Just as long as you can tell the difference between your variables, which are your x's, and your constant value, which is negative 61. Then same thing over here. You have 2 x's minus 50. These things are going to be equal to each other. So the big important things to take away on a model is you can tell the difference between your variables and your actual numbers. You can tell the difference between positives. So I made my positives in black. I made my negatives in red. And that you can see where that equal sign lies, that it's a clear definition between one side and the other. Okay, your next step is going to be to put this into y equals. So you're modeling and solving, just like the standard says. So I have 3x minus, 61. And I have 2x minus 50. So I'm going to check my graph. Can I see my intersection? I cannot. Let me zoom out. Now I can see it. Okay. So now I can do second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. My x value is 11. So you're just going to notate that on your slide. So the way I'm going to grade this is I'm looking for your models. I'm looking for those things that I told you. Here I can make a little list for you. So I need to be able to see the difference between variable and we call it a constant. I don't want y'all to get confused with constant rate of change. But when you have that number that's just by itself, it is called a constant. So tell the difference between that. Difference between positives and negatives. Somehow color code it however you want. Be creative. I'm fine with that. The other thing is that you can tell the difference between each side of the equation. Those are the three big takeaways for creating these models. All right, guys, you'll do your best today. If you have any questions, inbox me. I will be checking that throughout the day. I hope y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.